Hey guys, welcome everyone. Welcome to the crypto analysis channel by Dragon30 as usual. This is Thursday sessions, right, guys? Let's see what's happening with the market. Okay, guys. All right. So hope everyone's doing good. Welcome, guys. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Hi. Hello, guys. Hi. Hello. Welcome, guys. We'll be trying to understand the Bitcoin, gold, Ethereum as usual. All right, guys. Okay. So let's get back, guys. All right. Okay. Hi. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Let me send the link to the group as well. Hey, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hi. Hello. How are you doing, guys? Okay, so Dragon is a little bit dangerous today. All right. Why? I'll tell you later on. All right. I was like having a small to scalping sessions. I did just some mistakes over there. Okay, the dragon make mistake today. He's dangerous today, guys. Okay, so nothing much to worry, anyways. We will be checking the market as usual. All right, guys. Okay, so okay, let's go back to the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, what's happening, guys? What's happening with the Bitcoin? Some people are thinking for the buy, some people are thinking for the sales. All right, what's happening with the Bitcoin, guys? What you think? So most probably, okay, Bitcoin was broken down from the 4 hours breakout yesterday, all right, all the way drop it down, which I missed it completely. All right, guys. Okay, so this one was the breakout towards the one downside, one FPG is left on upper side. Okay, so Bitcoin right now on the trend wise, it is retesting this level, guys, retesting this level. So so it had broken down from the trend and it is retesting this level. If the Bitcoin happens to break down below this one, you might like to see a big drop on the downside, guys. All right. Hope that is audible, guys. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Hi. Hello. Welcome. Hey, Aiden. Hello. Hi. You're there? Okay. I thought like no one was saying hi, and I thought like, is it like going on a live or not yet? Right. So, okay, guys, those who have made mistake, just stay cool. Those who have made profit, just stay cool. Those who have eager to make profit, just stay cool. That's what we do. All right, guys. Okay, so we are understanding right now. Okay, so this was the level whereby the Bitcoin have broken down yesterday. All right, 4 hours time frame broke out from the horizontal support it have, and it did the retest. Small retest was given, and from there it fall all the way towards downside. Okay, so this is the level whereby hi, luckily, hey, and then to be hi guys, hello everyone, welcome. Okay, so this is the level whereby Bitcoin is retesting the space. All right. So if it happens to break down below this one, you might like to see a big drop on a downside. Okay. Do you think that's going to happen, guys? What do you think? That drop will be till this level. All right. But in fact, one liquidation was always left on upper side, which means the bulls, it is always the bulls are getting in. Maybe the bulls are getting in, right? So Bitcoin have always not tried to complete the structure and try to take the liquidations and try to, if it was taking liquidation from here, more long shots are going to be a very aggressive towards the downside, but the shots are not aggressive as we have thought right now. Okay, so if it was a shots would be so aggressive, it would have, because this is the big point for the shots to sell it. All right, so we haven't seen that aggressiveness in the shots yet. All right, though there is symptom that the candles are getting bigger than the green one. All right, and the bears are getting in. But let's go back to yesterday's move. All right, so yesterday's move. Okay, so yesterday's move yesterday's move. Let's get back to resume it. So, right, you guys might know it. All right, so it will be useful for you all as well. You see the drops of yesterday's. There are so not very impressive drops right over here. So that was a drop. Uh, till over here, it was a real drop. All right, what I mean to say is, right, the real drop. The retailers were doing this one. All right, and from here, this was the New York session's opening drop. And from here, it took the liquidity. That was a liquidity drop. All right. So three drops are completed. All right. Retailers drop, the New York session opening drop. All right. New York session opened. It just gave you all a big dump towards downside. Okay. And you got a liquidity drop. Okay. So three levels of drop was completed. Okay. I was trying to plan one long position from here whereby I got a squeeze today. All right. But nothing much to worry. Okay. I already closed that long position. All right. Over here. So what you understand is, guys, okay, what I'm understanding is if the market have already broken out on upper side from the recent resistance it have. All right, it have already broken out, and this is free testing it once more. All right, that can retest can be let till over here also, till over here also. Okay, that can be ranging, right? So till over here as well, or take the liquidity out from this level of W patterns, all right, and move up, right? That's also possible. Or so over here we can, like this, get a rejection from here. You can expect this one also. Okay, so this is a level very important for the Bitcoin to go for the bullish or the bearish. Okay, guys, now, all right, it have already broken down, which means all are selling, 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 selling. All right, so where will be their stop loss be if you are sellers? Okay, on upper side, most probably, right? In this level, you will be keeping your stop loss. All right, so it might like to take out that one before it moves down, maybe, right? Over here, it have given a sales setups from here till over here. I was holding up my long, but I close it over here. All right. तुम्हारा राजा जी देवा तो जाए तुम्हारा राजा जी देवा टूट जाए wow okay but I didn't get what it meant. But anyways, welcome brother zombie explorer, hi. Okay, so this can be one move, or from here just move on upper side, break it up from this trend on upper side, then new trend is going to form, guys. That is going to give you all a big move on upper side. Okay, big move. This is on a bigger time frame, guys. That move can be, okay, that move can be till the zone maybe, or more times it takes, the higher the move can be. All right, if it happens to take a breakout from this level on upper side. Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, guys, I was looking for aggressive for the long side. Okay, but not yet now. All right, because it is breaking below the average point that we have, all right, over here on that retest phase. Okay, so right now the Bitcoin is on the retest phase. This is what you understand, guys. Okay, for long holders, this is on the retest phase right now. Okay, it have broken down on the downside, and this is what the retest is doing. All right, so that can be continuation towards the downside as well. Okay, so let's see what it does. All right, guys, that can be a continuation to a downside. If it happens to break below this trend, then you are going to get a one shot position towards the downside. Okay, downside. All right, if it happens to break below this trend. Okay, most probably this levels is so important for now. Okay, so if it happens to go below this one, it can give you all the liquidation drop. All right, that can be ranging from in these levels, right? So let's see what it does. All right, guys, Bitcoin. Okay, so for now, we have been observing it. I'm not doing anything over here right now. Okay, I'm just observing it. All right, guys. Okay, so this is what we see on a 1 hour time frame, guys. Okay, so Bitcoin have broken down from here, short it, short it, short it, short it, right? Over here, it is accumulating a bit. All right, So from here, even if it breaks down below this one, you are going to get a big down move towards the downside. Okay. In fact, if it happens to just fake you out with this breakout moves, then the price is going to go up and get inside this box. Then you'll get a bullish move from here again. All right, till this level. All right, or more than that one. Okay, guys, this is what I'm thinking right now. Okay, I was looking at the charts. All right, from this morning only. All right, so this is what I see in this level. So why I did plant my open long in this level is like it was trying to go inside that trend once more. It was trying to get inside this trend once more. If it was getting inside this trend, then it would have given you all a big bullish move. All right, so which means that bulls are not yet over. The liquidations on upper side is not yet over. So temporarily it may go towards the downside, all right, for the shorts, and it may come back again as a big bullish move on upper side. Okay, so that can be expected. Let's see what it does in this level. All right, guys. Okay, so right now, if you are looking in this levels, all right, this is the one of the support you have. It broke down. Okay, it broke down below. Okay, so let's see whether it is able to clarify this one or not. So either you will get a good fake out shots, all right, or you will get a good moves on a downside, all right, like this. Okay, so that can be one move. So where can we short it, right? So once it clears down below this one, okay, clears down below this one, and go back and get a rejection from the top, and coming down would be a good shot for you all on a 1 hour time frame, those who are looking for the short positions. All right, so if it does something like this, all right, breaking down below firstly, right, and if it happens to come back in this range, we can short it from here and go all the way towards the downside. Okay, so you have a double top pattern over here. All right, double top pattern over here, but that was not retested at all. It should have been retesting it. Okay, it happened on halfway and coming down all the way. All right, but this structure is missing right now, guys. In this level of structures, this structure is missing. All right, this structure is missing. So that means that may not be a totally less expectation. It will get break down through downside from this level. This is what I'm feeling right now. Okay, guys. Hi, Designer Hub. Hello, Naila Amit. Hello, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What happened to my those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, guys, so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions. Okay, understand this structure carefully, guys. Okay, so usually on a M pattern, what it will have on a W pattern, it will have a wink like this, and it clears out something like this. All right, so right now we are in the M patterns. All right, M patterns, it should be going over there, retesting, getting a rejection from there, and trying to clear this out. All right, okay. So in this structure, what you see, guys, what you see, one level is, if you see in a big time frame, you will be able to see this, right? So actually this was supposed to be something like this: go up, retest from here, and coming down and clarify this one. All right, and that is a double top patterns clarifying this level. All right, trying to move on the downside. If it was coming out and breaking out from this level, I would have gone for a big shot from here, right? So my target will be towards the this level. Okay, and this will be my stop loss as soon as it breaks out. But in this structure, what I'm saying is one level, this level is missing right now, guys. Okay, it have come down, but one level is missing in this level, whereby Bitcoin had to go on this level from here, but it never did. Right now it continuously dropped till over here, right? And it never did to go back and come down, right now this is what we see. Okay, if you are checking on double top patterns, okay, if you want to understand the structures. So what you feel, guys? So maybe the market might And while going for this retest, it may go continuously up, correcting the market, as well as this is the level whereby market should be coming down from here. If it happens to come here from here, that is well and good, but most of people will be shorting from here again. All right, that time might the shorts might get out from there and move the price on upper side. This is what I feel only on the pattern. Okay, W pattern, double top patterns right now it is facing. So for now, temporarily, it might like to, for a short term, it might like to drop a bit, small bit, but since it have got a rejection from here, we were supposed to go up there to test this level once more. Okay, but right now market have got to try to fake out from this drop, right, and a breakout on upper side and try to drop a little bit. All right, so that can be dropped till over here or a little bit downside. Okay, trying to invite more shots in this level. All right, trying to invite more shots at the same time. So when the more shots gets in, then try to liquidate them to move on upper side. So upper side, moving in upper side also, you see the candles over here getting rejection from this level, getting rejection, which means the market is not able to pay the buyers as it have deserve, like market is not able to pay the buyers right now. Okay, this is what I feel. Okay, it since the candles are getting lesser, let's try to understand the psychologically also. All right, at the same time the market, the technical things. All right, so this is a double top. All right, so market is not able to push up, which means market is trying to get more liquidations from the downside. Okay, or market, what it can do, if the people are buying a lot, either people long position should be removed. All right, that is called liquidations. All right, all the longs get removed, right? Okay, or try to trap the shots from the downside and try to move on upper side when the volume gets filled, right? This is what I feel right now. Okay, guys, so this is the level whereby we can think about if it happens to go up and get rejection. Okay, in this levels also, if we happen to get a rejection, so less probability I'm checking on the short side, but that doesn't mean it is 100% correct. It might like to give a small liquidation on downside and move up. All right, so more shots will get in at that time. Bitcoin might like to squeeze all of them and try to move up. All right, so Bitcoin have left one structural gap, the pattern gap in this level. All right, so this is called the gap. All right, structure gap. So in case right now, okay, market is in this level. All right, in this level, where is it? So we have a big trend over here. All right, let's go back to this trend. All right, and market is in the downside. All right, it have already broken out on the downside. It's a retesting in this level. All right, so retesting in this level, people are expecting more for the shots in this level. If it respects the shots, well and good. All right, if it respects the shots, well and good. It might like to give a small over here and try to, firstly it needs to break down below, close down below this green candles. All right, go back and try to get a rejection from this average point, and coming down this will give you all the, that is a short setup. But this is technically what we think. All right, but that is possible or not, I also don't know. But if the market happens to, rather than getting a rejection from here, if it continues upper side and get inside that trend, previous trend, that is a bearish move, and it tried to get back into the original move once more, and trying to, previously it was bullish, again bearish, and again it trying to go for the bullish, which means market is changing its face. Right now this is shifting. Okay, previously we have a bull move, right? From here it is going for the bear move, right? Bear move. Okay, so this is what I think. All right, guys, so let's get back to the smaller time frame right now. Increase your volume. System idle sound is good. Increase your volume. No sound, Dragon. Is it? Hey. Is it audible, guys? Okay, so understand the market as well. All right. Over here, Dragon is a little bit dangerous today, okay? Because he did one 2 SL, all right, today. So I'm happy. And anyways, I'm happy for that one. All right. So so in this level, our main duty is to observe it whether this is getting downside or on the upper side, right, guys? Okay, let's get back to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame. This happens to make you all the triple top bearish, all right, which is a bearish. After that, it got a good move on the downside. Okay, so over here, what you see is, guys, right now. It have broken out from this level. Okay, and there's this retesting in this level. All right, if you check it horizontally, this was the resistance that you have. All right, small breakout was given. All right, so over here, most people, even me, I was trying to buy in this level because it was playing sideways a little bit and tried to confuse people. Last third candle, okay, third candle, the green candle, I was trying to buy in the zone and I just need to stop it when it comes a little bit drop on this level. All right, because so the gap was left on upper side, right? That was my concept, okay, in my mind. Okay, that gap was left. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is having a uptrend like this, small pullback trend. Okay, pullback trend. Pullback trend is something like this. Okay, so right now Bitcoin is facing this pullback, small pullback on upper side. Okay, so what I mean to say is if it happens to break down below this trend or closes below this trend, okay, and goes back and get a rejection from here, that will be a good shot for you all. If it wants to go directly, I won't do anything on that levels, right? Yesterday was similar on a bigger 5 minutes time frame. Okay, it did similar way because New York sessions was opening and without this structure, directly it bashed on the downside. All right, this level. All right. So if you try to check on the 5 minutes time frame, you'll observe it. Okay, but in case if the market is never able to get rejection from here, rather it tries to go back and tries to break above this one, then the most expected range firstly will be this till Saturday or Sunday range. Okay, till Saturday or Sunday range, you might like to see this on the upper side. So I was aggressively looking for the long side on previously. All right, but in fact, if it happens to get a rejection from here, this average point, and tries to fall here below this level, all right, again this comes back and closes below this level, then it will try to give you all the big move on a downside. Okay, so that can be ranging towards the first TP towards, excuse me, this level maybe first a little bit low. All right, this level and this level will be coming in. All right, so most probably maximum TP that can be is $76,260 is coming soon. All right, in fact, if it happens to get on a lower side, all right, but if it happens to push up, then if it breaks out on the upper side, then you might like to see a 2.4% move, and continuously if it tries to move on upper side, then it might like to go all the way toward 84,000 to $85,000 as well. All right, that can be possible. All right, guys, that is not impossible. Okay, that is possible because it left one W pattern over here which needs to be taken out, the liquidity. All right, the plans always, if something W pattern is there without testing it, that means the liquidity is coming in for the market as can be planning on upper side as well. All right, so this is what I understand. Okay, for now, so let's see together what it will do in this level. So let's get back to the smaller time frame, 15 minutes time frame as well. All right, to understand if you get any scalping sessions over here, small scalpings. All right, so most potential move will be above this level once it finishes this structure. Okay, so we will be waiting for the New York sessions to open so we get a little bit more volatility, right, guys? Okay, in this level, if I was trying to move short and longs, right, but the levels are not right now. The candle formations are not impressive as it does previously. All right, okay. So this is the upper upper pullback trend that we have. So most probably you might like to see whether, check your main duty is, guys, all right, for now, to check it whether it is moving on a upper side or downside. So in fact, one more information for you all. If market happens to give you all the breakout from this level, so most probably one week it might like to go for the bullish level. It might come back to retest, but most probably the target will be on the upper side only. All right, but in case if it happens to get a rejection from here and drops all the way towards downside, then you might like to see all the wick dropping towards the, so it might come for the retest or all those things, but most probably the target will be around 76,000 somewhere else, right? I have mentioned it, 76,260. Market will try to jump out towards that zone, guys. Okay, so this is the system, the plans for you all. Okay, those who are holding, this will be very, very important information for you all right, guys. For scalpings, no problem, anywhere you will get it. Okay, so I just previously I was trying to plan a short position over here. Again, I got it with a small move. I tried to get out of from here. Okay, because that was too dangerous for me. All right, yesterday, okay, yesterday was, it was over here similar patterns. All right, it tried to continue down, down. All right, something like this. Okay, so today let's see what it does. All right, what it does. So on a 5 minutes time frame, if you happen to check on the trends, all right, you might get a small scalpings over here. All right. Yes, again. Okay, so just wait and see whether it does that one or not. All right, and one more thing, guys. So we have one observations over here as well. All right, guys, this was the this was the level whereby Bitcoin had broken out yesterday. All right, okay, so if you are checking on a downside moves, broken down, retest done, broken down, retest done. All right, so third retest must be concerned. All right, so that is the thing that we are waiting for. So what I mean to say is, if it happens to get back low after the retest, if it is not doing this last retest, I'm letting it to go. All right, most probably if it happens to, after this structure forms, all right, so if this structure is formed, then if it happens to drop down, then this will be a bigger moves, right, guys? This can be a potential bigger moves. So let's see whether this will give the pullback or not. Okay, so most probably it should be giving a pullback retest to the average point and see whether it is getting up or down. All right, this is the thing, guys. Okay, just let's wait and see. Okay, just a second. I'll be back. All right. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. Let's wait. Okay. So over here. So this is the range whereby Bitcoin needs to. So when the New York sessions open, you'll be expecting a price moving up from here or this level. All right, it will be in this level. All right, so maybe half an hour or more to go. All right, there, then you might like to see that one. Till then, if we get on any setups, let's try to see it. All right, guys. That is aggressive move on. Raman.